Welcome to Embracing Confidence, where our journey dabbles into empowerment and supporting individuals to stride confidently in their paths. Today's conversation touches on a subject of paramount importance for numerous women who have undergone mastectomy breast prostheses. Host: Breast prostheses, artificial breast forms, aim to restore comfort and confidence in women post-mastectomy surgery. They come in a spectrum of shapes, sizes, and materials, catering to individual preferences. Guest expert: it's vital to acknowledge that breast prostheses extend beyond a physical replacement. They assume a significant role in rejuvenating emotional well-being and body image. Host: diving deeper into the varied types of breast prostheses available, we find silicone and non-silicone options, each bearing its own set of advantages. Host: silicone prostheses emulate the natural feel of breast tissue, offering a realistic appearance. Conversely, non-silicone options might be preferred for their lighter weight. Host: securing the right fit is paramount for comfort and confidence. We sought insights from a certified fitter to understand more about the fitting process and how to choose the befitting prosthesis. Certified fitter: when selecting a breast prosthesis, it's crucial to consider factors like weight, shape, and symmetry. Professional fitting guarantees optimal comfort and a natural look. Host: beyond the physical realm, breast prostheses wield a profound emotional impact. We heard from individuals who shared their experiences and how prostheses have positively influenced their self-esteem. Guest 1: donning a breast prosthesis made me feel whole again, enabling me to reclaim my confidence and progress in life. Host: as we wrap up, we share some tips for caring for and adapting to life with breast prostheses. We'll also highlight resources for those seeking more information or support. Host: thank you for joining us on Embracing Confidence. Remember, embracing your individuality and finding the right support can steer you towards a journey of empowerment and self-assurance. Stay tuned for more inspiring narratives and practical advice. Until next time, remain confident, remain you.